PSA-80 PRO by Omnirobotic. Achieving a perfectly smooth, uniform finish takes more than power. It takes coverage uniformity and precision. Hi, I'm Sandy, Omnirobotic's AI sanding specialist. In this video, I'll show the sanding patterns that ensure consistent, high-quality results on every cabinet door. Because every cabinet shop works differently, the PSA-80 PRO adapts to your workflow, your materials, and your quality standards. It automatically selects the right tool for each section of the door and executes advanced sanding patterns that reach every surface with the ideal motion. These patterns ensure full coverage accuracy and repeatable, high-quality results, every time, on every surface. Criss-Cross pattern optimizes sanding uniformity and boosts throughput. Engineered for consistent, even coverage across MDF, painted surfaces, and more. Adjust speed, overlap, and pressure to achieve your ideal finish. Raster pattern designed to follow the natural wood grain direction on raw hardwoods. Fully adjustable for any species, white oak, maple, walnut, cherry, and others, and for any desired stain tone. Butterfly internal corner sanding. Perfect for removing corner tool marks left by some routers, while keeping the panel surface perfectly flat, especially on single-piece MDF doors. Eliminates the need for tedious hand sanding inside the profile. Inside perimeter pass. With 0.1 mm precision, this path reliably removes tool marks between the small perimeter bit, often 1/8 inch, and the larger tools used to clear the pocket area on shaker doors. Butterfly external corner sanding. A versatile toolpath that can be configured to remove putty, level frame joints, or prevent sand-through on delicate finishes such as primer or sealer sanding. With these purpose-built sanding patterns, the PSA-80 PRO delivers the consistency, speed, and surface quality that manual sanding can't match. Whether you're removing CNC tool marks on MDF, preparing hardwood for a flawless stain, or creating a perfectly even surface for a mirror-smooth finish, every pass is controlled, predictable, and repeatable. See what consistent, automated sanding looks like in your own shop. Book a demo